If there are no Igbos in your church, then your ministry have not started.
Igbo kwenu. Amam na ndi Igbo nonga. Oga diru numma. Amen. Igbo man can never fall in love. If you see an Igbo man in love, he is in love with just one thing. Who know that thing? Ego dimpa. Ego dimpa. Amen. Igbo man will rather fall in love with money. Can you imagine an Igbo man drawing water from the well? He was drawing water. Suddenly, I don't know how it take happen. He fell inside the well. Everybody in the environment were disturbed. Hey, Chineke, Papa, Emeka, Dagoni, well, what shall we do? Somebody now ran to his shop, told his son, Emeka, your papa don't fall for well, what shall we do? The boy now said, hey, he now opened the drawer, took some money, ran to the market and bought a long rope, and then brought it to the well. They now stretched the rope inside the well. Papa, hey, Emeka, hold this rope so that we can draw you out. The Igbo man, as he stretched his hand to hold the rope, he discovered that the rope is a new one. He removed his hand. Emeka, hey Papa, where you see this rope? Papa, I buy him. Where you carry the money? Papa, na for shop. Chineke unwe gbole mo. Amen. Amen. Let the man ask her, how much you buy this rope? Papa na 350. Huh? Okwa this rope can match us and 250. Abai, return to this one. Go buy the one of 250.
If you don't able man, they advising children. One, if you don't know English, no money. Are you hearing me? Don't be joking. I don't see able man. They quarrel with Usabi. My friend, you passed my car. Do you know me? Now people man look at her. One, do you have Range Rover Sport? The man say no. And do you have Benz? The man say no. Then who are you? When you do you know who I am?
Igbo kwenu. If there are no Igbos in your church, then your ministry have not started. Man of God, Igbo people, they are everywhere. The Igbos made me to believe that any song in this country can be converted. There was a time we used to hear songs. Touch keep out for me. How many of you remember this song? I have a dream, a song to sing. You know the song, right? When the Igbos decided to sing blues, Westlife Live Market. Igbo people now wake in the morning sing, I have a dream, a song to sing. Daddy man to help me go one day with everything. I see me for the one day somebody go like Jesus of a very tale. Now I went to Alaba. I don't have time. I went to Alaba. I wanted to buy a CD plate. That is simple song. I told the man, I said, give me Amazing Grace. The man said, Amazing Grace, Amazing Grace. And I sang the one you want to buy. So I sang Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound. The man looked at me and said, nah, get up. When he brought it, I wanted to go. He said, now come and hear this one. This time the man played Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound that saved a wretch like me. I said, God, this one is sweet. Give me. He said, now wait, hear this one. This time the man played Amen, 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 Amazing Grace, Amen, 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 Amazing Grace. I said, God, this one is sweet. Give me. He said, now wait, there is another one. This time the man played I'm amazing grace, I'm amazing, how sweet, I'm amazing the house. I asked the man, I saw God, among us, which one is original? I said, now buy all of them are amazing.